Yes, 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 yes. How to do this? How to do the Pandian Vendida the Solukata? I mean, the sentence or song is like this. So the Pandian means Pandya Raja. I think Parangusa Pandian. I don't know. I let that get him. So he said for his wish. So when we tell the story, the Raja he fights. He does the daily rituals and all. Then he says, "Oh, I know everything." This is only because he has a friend, Dr. Choramanan, Choraraja. He is well versed on 24 kalas. But this particular Pandey Manna, only he knows 2063. The only thing he does not know is dance. So he wanted to fulfill his, he wants all the 64 kalas. He started learning dance. So that time he felt it very difficult to learn the dance, art of art. As being an ardent devotee, and எப்படி கதை பண்ணான்னா the Raja is doing fighting and all, doing all the martial arts and all. So that time he meets the friend of the friend Chola. I says, "Oh, I do not know the dance. So how can you fulfill 64 kalas? So how do you know all the 64 kalas?" He started learning dance under a guru. While dancing, he feels it's very difficult for him. So he felt then that he thinks, oh, for some time learning period, we are such a mighty king. How can we? So he think for a while and sitting, it's paining for me. How the God standing for one leg for so long? How could it not paining for him? So I may request him to change his leg. Like that, he goes to the temple and say how long I did this and all. So only show the bhakti, and the thing behind it is God hear our prayers. That's the main thing. So it's a very simple story where we can put many questions. How can a king learn dance and all?